Ek wil net weet wat malligheid het hier aangaan, because I will find you. You found me. You took me on a trip around the world in 8 episodes, because then I was in Boston. Dan is ek in New York. Dan is ek in Geneva. Ek was vir 'n tydjie in die tronk ook gewees. And let me tell you, the series had my mind doing the Kama Sutra because I was in so many positions. The series centers around David Burrows, who's wrongfully accused of killing his son. Fine, hy kry toe 'n life sentence in Haag en hy tronk toe. Hy served toe 5 years of that sentence en die een dag toe kom visit sy ex-consister vir hom. Sy sê vir my broer, kyk die foute, daar's 'n light hier en die foute wat net soos jou sien. Like, and hy's like, could it be? Fine, and there she leaves. Nadat sy leave, hulle toe wat die man net so vrek maak in die tronk en daai help hulle vir hom escape, and as soon as he escaped, he was on a journey to find his son. David Jade is over Father's Day present elke dag so vragtig waar, because Jade uit jou way uitgegaan om jou kind te kry. Jade was even willing om jou pa te sacrifice. En Jade op my nerves gewerk aan sekere episodes van Jade gelukkig soos aan mekaar wil help, but I understand, man, being violent and being dangerous is not in your character, but so vragtig waar, I got one question for you. Hoe het jy Jade nie gou wale prik in by jou huisie, want as hulle daai kind Sassa Muhammad moet gemaak het in daai kamer, moet jy het mos least gehoord het. Oh, did they bring that dead body into the house and just place it on the bed, but you should still have heard them breaking in, jy kan mos nooit so vast wil slaapie, man, my word. Ooh, ek is oor Rachel. Rachel is a true journalist. She went along for the ride. She went along for the thrill of things, and she stood by David's side, and she did not let him down. And also, she had Hayden wrapped around her little finger. That man would have done anything and everything for Woach. Hy moet vir hom gevra vir 'n 5 mil, die vark wat hy is. Oei, vir gamos. Love Sarah, love this character down. Ooh, Niggie is a badass, oh, she's feisty. Niggie spring van een gebouw tot die ander gebouw. Niggie weet om 'n gun te skiet. Niggie weet om jou body language te read. Niggie weet om te hack. Niggie doesn't stand down. Oh, she just goes for what she wants, and if she feels that she is right, she is gonna go for it. And that's what I liked about this character. I just wanted her to do a bit of hand-to-hand combat, but other than that, the gun shooting skills is amazing. Oh, Cheryl, they did you dirty, want jy het 'n horrible hairstyle gehad die entire series. My word, die Bob van jou was a nightmare. But you came through fast in the last 2 episodes when you gave us the information that you needed. When you took the initiative to go run that DNA test to prove that that was not your son who was killed that evening. But I have one question for you and only one question. Wat die hel het jou besiel om na 'n sperm clinic toe te gaan om vir jouself te inseminate? Jy maak asof jou man blank skiet. Oh my word, die man is so vrugbaar soos môre die hele dag as jy ran mal. Cocky! That's all I'm gonna say. Die man is so cocky soos môre die hele dag. Because what do you mean you lie about a whole bus accident? Just so that Cheryl can come down to the hospital so that you can spend some time with her. Ask Jamal, how do you fake an emergency like that? Ooh, jy is regtig cocky. Hayden, met jou hol wat in die middel van jou rug begin, met jou stoepstere. When I tell you, die man se dak raas, die stoof raak nie warm nie. Die man was so helpful vir hulle gewees. Die man het basically vir hulle top-notch lawyers gekry. Hy het vir hulle karre gegee. Hy het vir hulle aan die rond gery. He was aiding and abetting. But when I tell you the end of the situation, I was gagged. I was like, oh nee, uncle, jy is nie normally, want dan skiet jy jou eie ma ook nog dood. My word! Hayden, dit wat gebeur het of jou geld het so vragtig waar. And also, the fact that you killed that French boy and put the body there by David. Oh, you brutally murdered that boy. Oh, Annie, jy is daddy. Jy is regtig wat daddy. Die vrou is die definition of ek gaan my kind se stroon toesmeer just to protect my family's image. Oh, the length that she went to make sure that that secret didn't come out. But bom het in jou gesig, my love, toe skiet jou eie sien vir jou dood. Oh, my word. Guys, that was basically 8 episodes in 4 minutes. Go watch it for yourself and let me know what you think.